Some days are sunny and some are rainy, but dreams don't wait for the weather. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my very first study vlog, so I am feeling a little nervous but also excited. I am a college student preparing for UPSC, and through this channel, I would like to share my study journey with you. I hope we can learn, grow, and achieve our dreams together. So, let us study together. Since I am just beginning of my UPSC journey, I want to build a strong foundation. NCERT books are considered the backbone of UPSC preparation. So today I have picked up NCERT Geography, one chapter at a time. After studying for a while, I like to take a short break. I love spending a few moments in the fields for refreshing both my mind and my body. With a refreshed mind, it is time to get back to studying. So let us begin our evening study session. And that is how I spend my day, taking one small step toward my dream. Thank you so much for joining me on my very first study vlog. I hope we will continue this journey together. Until next time, take care, keep learning, and never stop believing in your dreams. Bye.